On August 30th, Hurricane Idalia targeted Dowling Park and struck Advent Christian Village as a Category 3 hurricane, the first major hurricane to hit Dowling Park directly in 127 years. While the campus was severely battered, we continue to praise God that there were no lives lost or even any injuries. It took days for heavy equipment to cut a path through the trees and debris in order to grant travel through the campus. Nearly every village structure sustained some degree of damage, and thousands of downed trees littered the streets and landscapes. Advent Christian Village is blessed with valued partnerships of local officials, agencies, and many faithful friends who quickly came to our aid. What a tremendous help and encouragement. Words cannot express our gratitude. We are also blessed with a dedicated staff that pulled together to ensure the well-being of each member. Our members also rose to the occasion, helping one another through the hardest days in the true spirit of community. They continue to make the best of the situation with grace and sometimes humor. Village life is back to normal, except for a few amenities that remain closed due to damage. Nearly 4 months after the storm, cleanup of trees and debris continues. We expect repairs to damaged structures to begin in early 2024. It will be a long process and the cost is great. Yet we know that God is faithful and we look forward to His provision. May God continue to bless the ministry of Advent Christian Village.